Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about 10 expressions on extreme sports. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Extreme sports is an emergent activity which enjoys an ever-increasing popularity these years. Number 2. They offer the opportunity to carve our own path and find out where our limits lie. Number 3. I've heard about real cases where people died bungee jumping. Number 4. I've never jumped off anything in my life. The highest thing I've jumped off is my bed. Number 5. It is said that extreme sports are non-traditional sports and activities. Number 6. They allow and encourage individual creativity in the innovation of new maneuvers and in the stylish execution of existing techniques. Number 7. The main challenge is imposed by the inherent difficulty of the activity. Number 8. I think enthusiasts are just for entertainment, thrills, prizes, or for sheer joy. Number 9. They should know their physical abilities and block the natural instinct of fear. Number 10. That's just a little too adventurous for me, although I believe it would be fantastic. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.